Mess is a food incubator that was born out of the need for more commercial production space for food entrepreneurs here in Washington, D.C. We have a 10,000 square foot old warehouse space that's been converted into a series of 4 different kitchens that house our producers in a variety of 4 kitchens. We call Mess Hall a food community because food brings people together. It's very much a family and community feel, and it's really important for me as a person to be able to feel good about all the things that we can provide to our employees and the people that are at Mess Hall. Healthcare is imperative. It's such an important part of everybody's life, be it preventive care or whether something pops up in an emergency. So to be able to offer healthcare to our employees specifically, it's something that just makes me as a person feel very good. I decided to sign up through DC HealthLink when we signed on employee number 1. It was an automatic. There's no way that we were going to be a company that didn't offer healthcare to our employees. Knowing that we wanted to be able to provide healthcare, it was easy to choose DC HealthLink. It's very difficult sometimes as a small business owner to juggle all of the things that have to occur on a daily basis, and adding in another process can be seemingly insurmountable. DC HealthLink made it incredibly easy for us to get started. We were provided with a myriad of options, and we were able to find the doctors that are also on board that we wanted to participate with. As somebody who's had challenges navigating through the healthcare process myself, it was really important to me to be able to offer affordable healthcare to my employees. Not only does it enable them to stay healthy and to get well quickly, as a human and as a business owner wanting to offer that, it's also a smart managerial decision because it means that my employees will show up to work healthful and ready to work. The food industry is not really known to offer healthcare, affordable healthcare. Neither do small businesses. So when we're able to say that we're in the food industry and we're a small business and we offer healthcare, it's the trifecta. I pay on a monthly basis. It debits automatically from my checking account, and I never have to worry about a thing. We just have healthcare.
I just think that as employers, we have the responsibility to look after our employees, because we, as a small business, we believe in having a healthy workforce. That's why we decided to offer them coverage. Well, we got covered through DC HealthLink. Well, basically what I hear from a small business, especially that are members of the chamber and that got covered through DC HealthLink, is the peace of mind and really to be able to protect their employees. With the amazing programs that are offered through DC HealthLink, small business have the possibility of giving coverage to employees and giving them the opportunity to live a healthier life. We have been a partner in reaching out to the Hispanic community, and basically we have supported them to reach out to all minorities. It is important that people educate themselves about the possibilities and opportunities they have through DC HealthLink.
We became friends over coffee and just drinking terrible coffee.
No one was roasting it in DC the way that we liked, and we decided, hey, we're going to be the guys to do it.
We're a neighborhood coffee shop, and it's really important for us to be part of the community.
So first thing in the morning, we've got a line of people on their way to work, and what we talk about internally is that this is, like you said, a third place. So that it's as much about the ritual and the experience as it is about the coffee, and so for us, it's just great to be able to do that. Starting Compass, we were always planning to offer health benefits, and we want to be a place where people are taken care of, that you come and work for us and you work full time. We as entrepreneurs think that we should provide that health care.
We want to take care of everybody who comes to work full time at Compass, and it's just another way of saying, hey, we support you, and we want to make sure you're taken care of when you're here, when you're at home, that you can go see a doctor, you can go get whatever medical issue you have checked, and it's just another way of being supportive. We have a very young workforce. Most people don't have a whole lot of medical issues, but whenever somebody is sick, they can quickly get their issue resolved and come back to work. It's a positive trend. We see more and more other small businesses starting to offer health coverage, starting to offer paid time off, those types of things. And that's the way that the tide's going, and we want to stay competitive. We want to keep doing that.
I think at this point we've developed a pretty good reputation for being a good place to work, which I think health benefits are a large part of that.
The platform keeps getting better, and I mean, adding new features, adding things like the online bill pay, that was awesome. The telephone support's pretty good too. I mean, it keeps getting better.
We're a food service industry, and through our partnership with DC HealthLink, we are one of a few partners who tries to work with the Exchange and DC HealthLink to host different events around the city to educate residents, business owners of what assistance DC HealthLink could provide. We were a growing office. I wanted to make sure that my people were covered, and they were, but moving to the Exchange also offered a little bit more of relief. We know that businesses are required to offer healthcare benefits to all of their employees, and it's great to be able to partner with DC HealthLink and the Exchange because information is power. So we get great information. The Exchange offers brokers to the assistance of our members, and it allows them to pick the plan that's best for them and best for their business model. It's great that they can offer this benefit now through the help of the Exchange and the assisters to be able to keep and retain a really vibrant workforce in their businesses. So when there's relief to your bottom line as a small trade association, it frees up money to be able to really put into your core lines of business and services.
Well, the DC Chamber of Commerce, since 1938, has been the voice for business. And as a $3.5 million nonprofit with a staff just under 20, we're a small business in our own right. And so the reasons that we got onto DC HealthLink is because it makes good business sense. And that's why we're proud to be a partner with DC HealthLink to get the word out to other small businesses around the district that they should join as well. Joining DC HealthLink has meant cost savings. So even though we're small, our benefits can be on par with larger companies. And that's the great benefit of being part of the Health Exchange here in the district. As president of the DC Chamber of Commerce, and we're the voice for business, we've been doing that since 1938, is that joining the DC HealthLink is good for your business, so you should sign up now.